Hey there. Today we're going to review the 2-foot Stabila level made in Germany. This is a great level for most any type of work. I actually install cabinets, so I use this quite a bit anytime I'm trying to verify that all of my cabinets are level, especially inside the cabinets a lot of times. I also have the 4-foot that I do. These are actually magnetized, and they have a really strong magnet. It's definitely, I don't know if you can tell, but it's actually trying to pull up. It's that strong. They're great if you have something metal that you're trying to level. It's a nice, really, they're heavy duty, but they're not too heavy. The finish, again, I've had these quite a few years, but the finish still looks pretty good. It's nice and glossy, and it holds up really well. This thing has been thrown, dropped, and still is absolutely dead level. So I certainly highly recommend the 2-foot Stabila level.